Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change gamma level for Epson EF-100B. And to do this, we'll need to click on the settings button on our remote. It's on the left side from the volume up and down key, and it has 3 lines on it. Now enter the image, scroll down for the brightness, then there's a gamma, and here you'll be able to change its level from 0 to 1 to 4. There's custom settings if you want, and then you'll be able to adjust them right here in the blinking area. Click enter and it should be set. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.